Hi, my name is Juan Camilo Vega Barrios. I am 18 years old, studying industrial energy. What were you doing last Christmas? I was starting with family and with my close friends. I having a pleasant day. Free mojarra with coconut rice. To start recipe, we mustard brown tetitote in a medium saucepan, add tetitote and the sugar. Cook for 5 minutes or until tetitote is well brown, stirring constantly. After that, we cook the rice and the rice to the pot and with a spoon medium will integrate it. Add the water and cook overhead until the liquid evaporates. And then cover the pot and lower the head and for 20 minutes or until the rice open and is well cooked. Then we are going to marinate the mojarras separately. Marinate the mojarras with the sazon and the lemon juice. Finally, we bake the mojarras preheat the oven on 108 Celsius and 160 Fahrenheit 20 minutes before preparation. In a previously greased refractory pot, the mojarras and take to the oven for 10-15 minutes or until they are cooked and crisp.